I'm Sarah Rowland. We're at the Capital Conference in the Okanagan. Joining us today is Martin Beland, VP of Marketing and Communications for Inolife Sciences. Tell me about your company. What's your story?
Hi, Sarah. Well, what initially started off as a private investment fund, interested in investing in globally scalable healthcare technologies, went through some phases where we acquired different technologies that all surround needle-free injections. So basically, very Star Trek-like, where you just push some pressure onto the skin and it penetrates a molecule, whether it be a vaccine or a drug, through your pores subcutaneously. And this is something that we think that is providing some incredible benefits to the population.
Amazing. What makes Inolife stand out in your sector?
Well, first of all, we have a wide variety of technologies, and that is consistently expanding, and even more so now with the fact that we're going to be our own molecule distributor. So we have needle-free injection technologies, whether them be with liquid form injection, so the traditional way, and we have this very unique powdered nanoparticle injector that is totally pain-free, and all our technologies are preventing cross-contamination. And now we're distributing it with the drug already inserted in it. And what's good about it is that we're not necessarily talking about something that's going to take years before we get to market. We're commercializing drugs that are already on the market, and all we really have to do are what is known in the industry as PKP. So it's a pharmacokinetic profiling, meaning it kind of just needs to tell the government or the regulatory institutions how the drugs are generally responding when injected with your device. So that's all we need to do, and we have several of them on their way. Some of them in regards to, we're already FDA cleared in the United States. We're the only company in the world that is FDA cleared for direct sell to diabetic patients. And we have pre-filled syringes and a nanoparticle injector with insulin, gonadotropin, that is for menopause. And we have vaccines, several partnerships like that we're having throughout the world, and the last of them in India. And what we're really proud about is the group that we were able to form with all these scientists, cardiologists, traumatologists, bariatric surgeons, plastic surgery that inject Botox, or several different types of applications in which our technology can be used right now.
Impressive. Can you describe your growth strategy and goals over the next 6 months?
Well, what we're really proud of is that we were successful in bringing some really important people on board, strategic investors, people that come from the pharma world and the clinical world. And now where that brings us is we're going public at the Canadian Securities Exchange in less than 2 months. And we're very excited about it, and this all goes with our commercialization strategy. We have products that are ready to market, whether it be in the liquid form that is already FDA cleared. The other ones are, the R&D is all done over it. All we need to do is to get it cleared. We have a process that's already started towards that way. So for the next 6 months, really what it's going to be is to have a successful execution of our commercialization, not make any mistake, managing growth as it should be, generating the revenues in hundreds of millions of dollars that we can achieve in the next 2 years. That's going to be a lot of fun.
Well, congratulations on going public, and thank you very much for joining us today.
My pleasure.